Hi, today we learn another Excel trick like how to set border. We have data like this, so we don't have any data like we if you are typing anything here like name, DOJ, date of joining, or DOB, date of birth. So we have to do border for manually like this. We are going here and then we are putting the border. So you no need to do manually, just select the cell like this, go to conditional format, go to new rule, and then go to format only unique or duplicate value. Select your unique value, go to format, go to border and select the border and click on OK. Then click on OK. Now anything you will type here like I'm typing the name here Raj Kumar Rao. Enter, automatically border will come. Like date of joining like 23 12 2023. Date of birth 12 01 1995. Border will come. Thank you.